Hi, this is Eric Merz with Virtua Business Coaching. I'm going to be partnering with North of the River Chamber of Commerce this Thursday, June 27th, on a workshop called Multi-Pronged Approach to Increasing Your Profitability. In this workshop, we'll go over many aspects of a business and how they can look at their P&L statement and come up with ways to increase their profitability by making very small changes in many different areas of their business. We'll be looking at cost of goods sold, we'll look at expenses, we'll look at how to increase revenue through pricing, but also increasing sales, and how just doing a little bit in every area of your business will increase your profitability substantially. The workshop will start at 11:30. We will have a light lunch served. It will be at the North of the River Parks and Recreation District Community Center off of River Lakes Drive. And there we will meet and we will see if we can find the golden triangle. That's really the mystery. The golden triangle is the gap between our total expenses and our total revenue. That's the profit we take home. So we want to increase that golden triangle, and we're going to demonstrate how we can do that in that workshop. I hope you can make it to that workshop. Again, June 27th, that's this coming Thursday. It's at 11:30. The cost is $25. Look in the comments below to click on the link to register. I hope to see you there. Take care and God bless.